Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set up a notification to wake up your screen in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That means if you have received any notifications, your phone screen should be waked up. Okay, so your phone screen should give you alert. Okay, so that you can understand that you have received a notification. Okay, so here how you can do it. First of all, now I am going to send a message from another number, and that will be receiving as a notification. Okay, my phone is off and I have received a notification. I have received a sound for this notification, but screen is not wake up. Okay, so if you would like to wake up screen for any notification, as you can do it, what you got to do is go to the settings of your phone first, then go to notification and status bar, and here select lock screen. Here select lock screen, and here turn on this button when wake screen when a notification is received. Okay, just turn on this button. Now lock your screen, and if you hereafter receive a notification, you will get get up your screen. Okay, that is, see here, yes, screen is waked up. I have received a notification through a message. Okay, so in this way you can easily set up to wake a screen for any new notifications. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.